Good morning, everyone. I am Teacher Jarrett, and today we are going to be reading a story about hide and seek. The title of the story is Hide and Seek by Daniel Hyken, illustrated by Bernard Adnet. Paired read, Our sun is a star. Okay, let's go to the next page. Genre, fantasy. Essential question. What can you see in the sky? Hide and Seek by Daniel Hyken, illustrated by Bernard Adnet. Chapter 1. Who are Harry and Flutter? Page 2. Chapter 2. Where is Flutter? Page 6. Chapter 3. What does Harry find? Page 9. Respond to reading. Page 12. Paired read. Our sun is a star. Page 13. STEM. Focus on science. Page 16. Okay, let's start reading our story together. Chapter 1. Who are Harry and Flutter? Harry the rabbit hopped into the garden. Hello, said a caterpillar. I'm Flutter. So here's the caterpillar in the garden. And here's Harry. Hello, said the rabbit. I'm Harry. Flutter is a funny name for a caterpillar. Caterpillars don't have wings. So the word flutter means to fly. So a butterfly can flutter when it goes. They flutter around and fly. So Harry said Flutter is a funny name for a caterpillar because caterpillars don't have wings, right? Yeah. Okay. Flutter said, I'll fly to see the sun one day. Harry laughed. Ha ha, then he saw a great black bird. Hide, Harry yelled. Here comes a big bird. So you can see here's a big bird flying in the sky. Birds like to eat caterpillars, so Flutter hid behind Harry. Harry said, I love to play hide and seek. Flutter said, you like it because no one is trying to eat you. Chapter 2. Where is Flutter? One morning, Harry looked for Flutter in the garden. She was not there. Flutter is playing hide and seek, Harry said. Or maybe she went to fly as high as the sun. Harry looked for the sun. He couldn't see it. Clouds covered the sky. The sun is playing hide and seek too. I'll find where it's hiding, Harry said. He hopped a long way. Poor Harry was tired, but he kept looking. He looked between tall trees. He peeked under rocks. Then he started to climb a hill. The sun might be hiding behind this hill, said Harry. So we can see here's a picture of Harry looking at the trees and looking under rocks. And then he decided to climb up the hill, right? So chapter 3. What does Harry find? Harry leapt to the top of the hill. The clouds parted. The full face of the sun came out. Harry felt warm. A butterfly was flying as high as the sun. Its orange wings fluttered. Remember, we said fluttered means to fly, like to move your wings like this. Harry stretched his paw up to it. He stretched his paw higher, higher, higher. "Hello, Harry," said the butterfly. It was Flutter's voice. "I told you I would fly." "Where have you been?" Harry asked. "I went through changes. Caterpillars turn into butterflies," Flutter said. Look, there's Flutter. Flutter is now a butterfly. And here's Harry. "I found you," cried Harry. "We found the sun. Now let's play another game of hide and seek." Flutter landed on Harry's head. "You hide and I'll seek," said Flutter. Okay, so that's our story. Flutter was a caterpillar, and then she went through some changes, and now she's a butterfly, right? And then you can see here's Harry looking at Flutter. They are friends. So now we are going to respond to reading. Retell. Use the chart to help you retell hide and seek. So today we are going to do cause and effect to retell the story. So let me make some cause and effect circles. Those are the cause squares, cause circles, and these are the effect squares, right? Okay. So remember, cause and effect is meant one moment.